The Road to Round in Malaysia 2025.
Stuck here going nowhere, trying cause I'm under all of your spell. No one can tell how I can get over. Di makalimutan ating pagmamahalan, pero alam kong oras na para ika'y pagkawalan. Girl, I was always here but you were nowhere to be found, yet you made me feel like nothing when I gave everything more than I could. Damdami binigay pero gusto ko'y niyura.
Yeah, I'm ready for the... Hindi, binalik ko lang.
Suot na namin yung bago naming merch. Simplicity is beauty. With first one.
Galing na nag-review ah. Yes.
Parang may exam. May exam sila, boss.
Ha?
May exam.
Eh, para lang smooth tayo mamaya. Professional. Part of the job, bro.
Baka mangyari sa ano eh, sa...
Saan?
Hindi na sabi niya.
So guys, ayun. Backstage tayo. I think a few moments from now, magsa-start na yung meet and greet for the first class ticket holders. Pero, yan, nagre-review sila ng script kasi para daw smooth yung flow. Go na ata. Pero guys, pakilala ko lang kayo sa guests natin. Some of our guests. Please welcome, Lisa.
Hi, we are Calista.
Talo yung version mo guys. So yun, please introduce yourself.
Calling a star. Hi, I'm Nell. Hi, I'm Dave. Hello, I'm Anne. We are Calista.
Of course, thank you for thank you for coming here and for for celebrating with us. And yeah, hopefully I think tuloy-tuloy naman yun. Tuloy-tuloy yung blessings sa P-pop and
Yes.
saan man tayo mapunta guys, P-pop Rise. And Calista has been one of the groups talaga na kasama ng first one since when we got P-pop Rise. Ibig sabihin, matatanda na kami guys! Hindi, di ba? Bata pa yung face. You have something?
First of all, thank you so much po. Thank you sa mga kuyas namin. First one, thank you so much
Kuya
for
Joke,
always
Joke!
inviting us sa entertainment po ng first one. Thank you so much kasi talagang nagtutulungan po tayo dito para mas mapausbog pa ang pera. Siyempre lagi kami nandito, one call away kami guys.
Yes!
Para sa mga kuyas namin. Pero kami ka-supportive. We love them so much and we're really looking forward sa kanilang journey dito sa event nila na to sa Malaysia.
See you guys later. Calista's performance.
to? Gusto mo?
Okay ah. Ay, lalagay pa doon? Ano ba yan? Nahihirapan pa ako. Lalagay pala doon. Excuse me. Meron pa eh. Ay, yan. Ah, wait lang. Ano? Uy, ako din. Ako din. Ako din. Ikaw, nag-bless na ako dito. Tag-1,000 to. Gagawin nila mga namin.
Okay, so yun yung first level ng game. And second level ng natin is the game is called Packing Time.
Ano? Ano?
Packing! Packing Time!
Malinaw.
It's called
Wala nang ibang ibigin pa. Ikaw na ang tanging hanap. Makapiling sa tuwina. Ikaw lang, wala nang iba. Pag di narasal sa kanya. Kahit minuto, segundo, ikaw ang sigaw ng puso. Wala nang iba. Walang kahit sino man makapagpapasaya. Walang ibang pagbibigyan ko at mamahalin magpakailan pa man. Kasi wala nang iba, wala nang iba ibigin pa. Ikaw na ang dahilan, nakapiling sa tuwina. Ikaw lang, wala nang iba. Pag di narasal sa kanya. At kahit minuto, segundo, ikaw ang sigaw ng puso. Wala nang iba. 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 Wala nang iba.
Ay! So, magko-confess ako guys, nagkamali talaga ako. Ayos ba? Ginawa ako, di ba? Pero ang linaw na mukha ko, taas na exposure. Pinipindot ata ako na hindi tama eh. Ayos ba? Siyempre, ba't niya kukunin ko yung isa eh, may stand. Naka-tripod. Kaso, bawoy. Sana kukunin ko eh. Gusto ka, boss?
Passion. Cool kid. Ay, cool A.
When you see it, you will know it.
Guys, ano yan? Lesson learned yan. Papunta doon. Pagdating doon, plakado.
Buti pa ako ng P-pop con guys, may kita niyo. Para yung P-pop con ko. Pag talon ko, nauna ako. Pagbaba ako, gumaling siya. Eject!
Nandito na. Na MVP. Boss, producer. Malapit yan. Nag-vlog kami. Okay lang. Sali namin sila guys sa kwentuhan.
Ang first one kasi represent mo nila hindi lang ang buong PBS, ng buong P-pop po. Sa ASEAN country po, no? So please guys, kailangan po natin ng support para sa P-pop Prize. Thank you so much po!
Yes guys, and gaya na na-witness nyo tonight, this is the testament to P-pop Prize. Hindi lang to achievement itong Round Music Festival first one, it's not just our achievement, pero the whole P-pop. Kasi you never know who will be the next representative of the Philippines next year. So, pero guys, maraming salamat, we're very touched. Gaya na sabi ni Joker, yung sabi namin before, kahit isang 4-1 na lang yun nandiyan, he will perform with our best. Always win, always out, and always win. This has been first one, maraming salamat po. We love you 4-1, we love all of you guys who went here. What a one! Go beyond, we are first one! Thank you po. Congratulations to all the P-pop groups and to P-pop music.
Thank you guys, maraming salamat. Sobrang enjoy lang. Natapos din, nairaos, pero It was a very good experience. Maraming salamat Kalista, their management, 1621, their management, to all Blackstar Entertainment, brother, sister, staff, sensei. Dami ko nakitang familiar faces. Ate Bea, Guerrero, napakaganda mo. Tsaka ang bait-bait mo talaga. Sama mo sa vlog yan ha, kung may nakasi. Tapos, sino pa ba? Marami naman guys. Sir Jobert, all our sponsors. This has been the first one. This has been Ace. Love you guys. On to the next episode for Bounce Around. Abangan nyo kung ano yung sinasabi kong another blessing na dumating. Baka pang final episode yun. Pero at least sinabi ko na, di ba? Bye-bye.
Kaya may nakita ko tayo to
Malinaw.
Let's go.
Si Naruto yun. Comment down below. What do you think of the show?
Pwede nyo nang kunin to.
Nagbayas sila yung sa amin.
Hindi ko alam paano gagawin namin sa vlog.
Yeah, let's go.